Hi there. Thank you for checking out this tutorial. In here, we'll be just walking you through, I'll be walking you through setting up your profile in your dashboard. So now I'm on the site Swaziweb.com, inspire me, that I'm creating in this tutorial. So I want to go ahead and log in. So what I'll do is I'll just go back to Swaziweb.com and I'll click OK. Then I'll log in like we showed you previously. So it's already set here. Just put in your login details and I'll go ahead and log in. Right, so I'm logged in. As you can see, the strip, as I told you before, you can just see by this strip that you're already logged into the site. So I'm going to go ahead and go to dashboard. Right, so I'm in the dashboard. So I'm just going to be looking at the profile feature. So just go down at the bottom and then you can click on profile. Right, so you don't need to do a lot of things here. Just what I suggest, you can obviously play around with these things, and then each time you play around with it, you can just then go back and remember to always save at the bottom, just to save there. Just remember to always do that. Just play around with this different color schemes, and then you can go to your site by visiting your URL, in this case Swaziweb.com, inspire me. Then you'll see how the site looks. If you're not happy, you can come back and undo it here. But what's key here is for you just to go down and fill in these details. That's all I want. So I'll just go ahead and do that. Right. Just leave this as is. Don't tamper with that if you can. And do I have a website? So if you have a website, for example, you can put it in there. Whatever website that you have that is outside of Swaziweb.com. If you don't have a website, just leave that blank. If you want to put in a Facebook URL, just put in. I don't have a website. I don't actually own this domain, so I'll just leave that blank, but you can put it in there. What's important is the biography. So you can talk about, type in something that you feel describes you best. Right, I think that's enough. So just put in whatever you want to put in there. Define yourself in the best way possible, in the best possible way. And then if you ever want to change your password, you can always change it here. But in our case, we don't need to, or our password is secure. And then lastly, you must always put an avatar. So I suggest you just use your face or whatever you feel describes you best. So I'll go ahead and put an avatar. So I'll just pull it from the desktop. If you click there, so you can now choose a file. When you click this, it will just go to your computer to try and find the file. So mine is sitting on the desktop. And then this is where it's sitting. And I'll click open. Right now, what you need to do once you've done that, you then just go to upload. Okay, I seem to be running through a problem here, so what I'll do is I'll just pause the video and try to fix that, and I'll come back and we can continue with the recording. Okay, so I've gone ahead and tried to log in using my other accounts because I've been told the support team is currently testing that feature. But by the time you watch this video, it should be working perfectly fine. I'm now logged in into my different account, but really it shouldn't be a problem to you. So as you can see here, there's a different account, but where I have it, and I do have a website in this instant, and I've put in a different biography because I'm talking about my business. And now I've put in an avatar. Just follow the steps in the ones that I was showing you before I came across the error. You should be able to then see your avatar showing up like this. And once you do that, then you just go to update profile. Okay, that's just what needs to be done. Having done that, your profile is set. Everything, it looks perfect. You are ready to go.